Hello and welcome back, sweet friends. Today we are going to have so much fun looking at a his and hers bathroom project that my husband and I got to do with our small business, Free Spirit Designs. So today I definitely want to hear from you guys in the comments. You need to tell me, would you prefer his or hers? This was a first for me. I have never got to do two bathrooms at the same time for a couple. Normally we're doing one master bath. They both get to have their own bathroom. I mean, yes, please. So it's really, really fun. I'm so happy you guys are here. If you are new here, my name is Victoria, and today you will meet my husband, Scott. We're delighted that you're here, and we, of course, cannot do the channel without you. So sit back, grab your favorite drink, get comfy from your home as we invite you into our client's home. I think one of my favorite parts of our design installs are the before and the after. So here are two bathrooms today that we are going to look at together, a his and a hers, which we've never done before. This is her bathroom before. You can see the custom vanity that wraps around, the not so beautiful builder grade mirrors, and now the after, which I know this is the process, but look how different. Just taking that vanity out and then putting a standalone cabinet. The blue tile is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you up close and personal with that. So she loves the soaking tub. We kept that, but that is the only thing that we kept in this bathroom renovation. Right now I am sealing the tile because that's super important to make sure it's all clean, and then you spray it and seal it. And Scott is working on the hardware, which I definitely want to talk to you about. So the vanity came with this dark hardware, and I really wanted to be able to mix in some gold finishes in the space. As you see, the gold mirror, which you can find on Free Spirit Marketplace. And changing out your hardware, so affordable and super impactful. Down to the details. Of course, she needs some bath salts. They did not fit on the shelf that I thought they were going to fit on. And we get to just do all the pretty finishes. So the black hardware with the gold, I think it's okay to mix metals. I'm never afraid of that. I probably wouldn't do more than two. You can always do silver and black or aged bronze and black. As you see in her bathroom, I chose black with the gold finishes and all the fun little finishing details that really brings the space together. Something I always love doing is making the little details fancy, like toilet paper folds. If you want to make a flower with your toilet paper, you're going to simply pull out several pieces, then you're going to just wrap it around each other and tuck it, and voila, there you have it. A shower curtain, my friend, is one way to make a huge impact. Let's say you can't redo your tile like this project, but maybe just simply switching your shower curtain can make a huge impact in your space. Refolding towels, getting fresh towels. You can do all those little things again without completely gutting your bathroom. Again, with the happy towel folds, the gold mirror, you can find that again on Marketplace. We'll be sure to link that for you. And every bathroom needs scrubs and soaps and sprays and yummy textiles like rugs. I loved this blue one that I found at Anthropology. But I will let you sit back and enjoy the before and after of this her bathroom. Let's move on to his bathroom. Let's take a look at the before. And I'm also going to get to share some of the process with you. The before, it's very similar to her bathroom. It is a little bit bigger, which doesn't seem fair, does it? But the wraparound vanity, the awful tile, and mirrors, all the same. Process. It's good. So you tore the tub out and then you cut it in half?
Yeah, you couldn't get it out whole.
Okay.
It's too wide. It gets hung up here and here, and I kept this corner bead.
Okay.
We'll clean that up and prime it good.
And you're chipping out the floor? How are you going to do that with all this crap in here?
That's the problem. Chipping this way and then start moving stuff onto the chipped area as I go over.
Wow. The challenge of this job is what?
Being on the 15th floor. No place to park the trailer, no place to put a dumpster.
Right.
Everything that comes out has to be hauled away. Everything
so
that comes in.
Tell me about this bin.
This bin is trash. This is how we take the trash out right here. This one here is one that I just started.
Wow.
And that's where most of this floor is going to go. But these bins, they get up to a couple 100 pounds. This here is the Curdy system that we're using right here, the Sluter Curdy. This right here is a polystyrene board. This is going to go up here. It replaces the sheetrock, or in the case of these two, this wall and this wall, it'll go on the face of the sheetrock. So put it in here.
So why can't you just install the tile right on the sheetrock?
Because this is not waterproof. This is a fully waterproof system right here.
The walls were once a mirror. I see that you still have one little piece of mirror. How did you get the mirror off the wall? Obviously that one little piece remains.
With this hammer, I stood off to the side and I shattered it.
Did you wear your glasses?
That's what they're here for.
Tell us about when you threw the hammer.
Oh yeah, I stood here because of that back one, there's no way to stand off to the side because it took up the whole wall. So you couldn't stand off to the side of it and hit it and let it crack and fall. So I said, well, I got this brilliant idea. I'll just throw the hammer at it from here. I just threw the hammer across the room.
Did it shatter?
You want to know what happened?
What?
The hammer bounced off.
Oh my word.
3 times.
Until it shattered.
No, it didn't break at all. I had to go up there with this and hit it up in the corner over there to get it to crack. And then I kept busting it in pieces and it would fall and shatter on those counters.
Wow.
Yeah, I had one of these bins full, about 200 pounds of bad luck.
Of a broken mirror.
2 broken mirrors. Filled one of these bins. They
Honey.
weighed probably 250 pounds. It's heavy.
You not have bad luck.
They say 7 years per mirror.
No.
7 years of bad luck.
We're gonna sign off on that. Scott is doing probably, is this your least favorite part of a bathroom install?
Probably not least, but it's not a favorite.
Being a plumber. So exciting. Styling his bathroom was more simple in that he doesn't need as many things, right? But he still needs the pretty details. One of Scott's favorite things at home is our hand scrub, so I thought, you know what, maybe this gentleman would also like to have it. You will see I also mixed the metals in this space, but we chose age bronze and gold finishes. Scott's working on the transition piece for the flooring because it was wood floor in the bedroom, and this master bath is actually the one that's his, connects to their bedroom, so we needed a transition piece for that. And he did not want a tub, he wanted a full shower. And he also wanted an armoire in order to have kind of an extended closet. We found the coolest antique piece. So beautiful, you guys. And he wanted it to feel kind of like a barbershop. So I think we pulled that off. What do you guys think? I definitely want to hear from you in the comments if her bathroom or his bathroom would better suit you and your family, or you and your loved one. But I do love all the details in here. The dark, beautiful vanity. I will confess, it was hard to find a 60-inch vanity with only one single sink. Hers was only 48 inches. That's a very common size, but his bathroom was a little more challenging. Scott did a genius, just brilliant job on this tile work. It is absolutely stunning. It's always better in person, you guys, but I'm happy that we have these videos that we can share with you. And our client, he loves it, and that's the most important part.